didn't want to clear up. See how it works for the Punisher with Peyton Davis in the seat. About a foot short. About a foot short. Puts him right now on the number 130.4. The speed and about a foot short on the distance, so it does matter. We can say 0.2 of a mile an hour, you lose. So 6 with one more here in the class. He's got to get past that 321.60. That's what we're looking for. John T. Davis on the Young Gun puts him on the number 1 spot. Number 2, Peyton Davis on the Punisher. Number 3, Kevin Schools on the Just Rutt'n. In number 4 spot, Bill Cramer on the Contender. In 5 spot, Jake Cramer on the Supernatural. John T. Davis on the Young Gun. Your winner in the 6,200-pound national, John T. Davis. Awesome run out here. Awesome run out here tonight. I'm gonna tell you, when you had that run, I think it was 31.6 miles an hour. Temple called me on the radio and he said, they ain't gonna beat that. They're gonna have to get up mighty early. But that was an awesome run. I know Peyton was knocking on the door, but he's always a foot short anyway, so we don't worry about him. But anyway, awesome run out here tonight. We thinking, you done won the Honky Tonk 300. Somebody asked me, you going to Disneyland now?
We might have to try it. Pretty good feeling. Honky Tonk 300, nice to win. I think we won it last year, didn't we, Ernie?
Well, I'm gonna tell you what, that guy, Ernie, you don't gotta know, anybody know Ernie Chevron? We call him Chicken Legs. He's a nickname, but anyway, Chicken Legs. That guy was talking smack to me all day long today, burning up my phone. Y'all better get ready, John T's coming. Y'all better get the track with it, John T's coming. Well, guess what, Ernie? John T's here. Out here tonight, once again, John T. Davis, on the Davis Motorsports, puts him on the number 1 spot.
I just want to take a minute to thank our sponsors. We got Decaf and Asgro, and we got a new sponsor on board, Tuna Belly. Put the new wrap in the truck, and he's helped us out a lot with the crew and sponsorship, and my family, and everybody go with it. Sonny Leonard, list goes on.
But it's awesome run. I know it takes a lot to make it work. You know, the top notch puller right here. John T. Davis finishing up #1.